check whether I got any message. I will check and I will just call them immediately if it is related to me. Suppose I am in hungering finding a property site. So my budget is 25 lakhs and I wanted to buy a property, but I am new to Bangalore. I don't know where I will get the property. The message what we shoot out, 25 lakhs property in Sarjapur with your building name. So when I specify, you will get a direct response from the customer. We are going to cover all those audience. So through email, customer now, people rather than speaking directly, people are communicating through emails. We are even in that marketing through emails also. We shoot up mails to all the customers giving your entire project details, wherein about the elevations, about the structure, about the price, everything. So that the customer will already come to your place, so to just book it, he just needs the basic clarification. So how? What would be the total cost and what is the offer that you provide? Because we provide all the information through mails to the customers. Next. So again, the new technology, the radio jacks. So everyone, while they are going to their homes or whenever they are stuck in the traffic, first they operate their mobiles or they operate their FMs. With 104 FM, we are the first builders. So the builders who are going to tie up with us, their name will be displayed in 104 singles. These are all various modules wherein we reach our customers. So when we help you to build your buildings at the earliest, and we are here to sell it. Because we are going to bring our customers in a group. A group of customers are going to give a very good business for you all. Thank you and all. I would like to call Ms. Lalita to speak about our innovative concept called TGS Property Yatra. A mega property yatra or else a kind of innovation which is helping Bangaloreans to book. The thousands, hundreds of projects can be visited in one day. A person who is looking at in Sarjapur, he visits the properties at one day rather than he planning himself to buy a property for months together.
Hello, good evening ladies and gentlemen. This is Lalita Chaudhary from TGS Property. I am pleased to share this new concept that we have come up with, TGS Property Yatra, as per which we will be taking care of the customized need or the common need of the people across Bangalore, as per which we would be, the concept is very unique actually. According to this, we would actually be segregating the customers based upon their various preferences and their choices like location as well as their preference like budget, location. And after segregating the customers on their common requirements, we would be providing them not only the picking drop services, but as well as the meal facilities. Common bus would be there, which would be taking them from a common location to various properties across Bangalore. For example, suppose a customer is looking for a property in Koramangala. So we would be assisting them, a customer relationship team would be there, which would actually be contacting the customer and providing the door-to-door cab service. So after that, they would be taken across to a common place where all the people would be there, who would be covering same kind of location and who would be somewhat having same kind of needs. So then a bus would be taking them to a location which an area which would be having and which would actually be covering 20 to 30 properties. So this way, actually, this whole process would become very hassle-free for the common people. This is actually very much different from the traditional ways of business, how business used to take place. But this is a very new, innovative concept which would be actually bringing a new era into property search. So now, I think this is about this new concept that we have, and I hope that everybody would really like to enjoy this concept as like we are already getting very good responses out of market. And I hope that you all and every Bangalorean would enjoy this property yatra. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Alisha. Just I wanted to take 1 minute so to say about this. See, the TGS Property Yatra, how it is going to help in the sense, suppose if an individual customer is coming to your place, so he will tell, I need to inquire with my family, let me have a discuss with my wife or husband or my parents, and I will get back to you. But in Property Yatra, we welcome as a family because the decision can be made then and there itself rather than getting postponed. Due to this, what will happen? So the sale will increase for you at one shot. A bunch of customers, a group of customers who are coming, who already know about your property with us, he just sent the mail, he got the SMS about your property and the complete clarification is available on it. Then what next? He will think about it. He won't be having any other option rather than buying with you. It's just now it's up to your hand how fast you construct your buildings. Selling is our business. And bringing our customers to your place is up to you. And we also help you people for your sales force to make the sales. Thank you one and all. Thanks for giving me an opportunity.
Right, ladies and gentlemen, as promised, after the presentation we were supposed to watch a little laser show to launch tgsproperty.com. So can we please have that laser display on our screen, please? together for Mr. Jasdeep as he's going to be presenting to us the concept.
Good evening, one and all. First of all, I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the dignitaries present on the stage. I'm very lucky to have a seat with them. To explain about tgsproperty.com, it's a very unique portal that we have launched. It's not just a portal that we have launched. It's a unique innovation in itself. Now, it's not like a normal portal where you go in and search for a property. A customer who logs into our website can actually go in our website and also look out for the properties which are listed in the website. And also he can go in for a unique concept that we have introduced, which is actually a new concept where it is not launched anywhere in the world. This is the first time in Bangalore, in our city, that this property yatra has been launched. And with this yatra, what a person does. Now, three things that are important for a person, for a common man living in a city like Bangalore, is actually making himself a home. Three things important are roti, kapda और मकान. मकान बनाना बहुत मुश्किल काम होता है. मकान बनाना अपने आप के लिए, अपनी फैमिली के लिए. Owning your dream home is actually a big thing for a family, for an individual, for anyone. Now, when you're looking out for a property, what do? You go on a website and search for properties, or you go to a normal agent or a broker to search for properties. The pain a common man goes through when he's searching for a property is actually three things that I have noticed. The first thing is you don't have the accessibility to the locations of the properties. Now, you know where are the properties in Bangalore. Now, the kind of traffic we have in Bangalore, it's very difficult to search for all the apartments, the flats, the houses, when you go and search for those properties. You take out your weekends when you have your busy work schedule, and you take out your weekend to search for the property. How many properties can you search in a day? In a weekend, let's say 3-4 properties in a weekend, and you have got the cost. You go home and you calculate all the costs. Again, you go in next weekend to search for the properties. You go in for searching properties for next 2-3 months. Now, this is what happens when you go in and search for properties for 2-3 months. You go back to the house which you selected in the first month, and you go back and see that the cost has gone up. This is the kind of ratings you have in Bangalore. The cost of site or cost of houses keeps going up like gold. So the common man actually experiences this thing while he's searching for property. The accessibility, the problem in searching for properties is actually quite difficult. You can't take out time for 2-3 months in searching a property or searching your dream home. The second problem he comes through is when he goes in to search a property, he has to hire an agent or a broker, what we call. Now, what this broker does, he takes you to a flat and he shows you the flat. Now, this broker, he will demand you 2 or 3% commission if you buy the flat. And also that broker will make money from the builder because he's selling a flat, he's getting a customer to the builder and he's selling a flat. Now, the pain again to give a commission to the broker is also painful for the customer, for the common man. He's investing lakhs of rupees actually to buy a home, and he's actually giving lakhs of rupees again to a broker to buy a house. The third pain a common man experiences is while he goes and sees a property or sees a house or a flat, he will see the cost actually going more in lakhs, like 40 lakhs, 50 lakhs for a 2 BHK house. The problem again comes is the part where he has to pay a lot of money. Now again, nobody has savings of 40 lakhs or 50 lakhs in a city like Bangalore. Now we actually go in for the banks for home loans to purchase the properties. We also have our in-house home loan department, which is also called as tgsmoney.com. We also help customers to actually get the loan to buy a property or to buy a house. Now, this unique concept of property yatra, what a customer has to do. Now, I am a customer. What I do, I will go straight to the website tgsproperty.com. I will register myself for the property yatra in the weekend, Saturday and Sunday. You can choose any day of yours. We will send you a door-to-door pick and drop. You sit in our bus, select a location. For example, I want to see the properties in location Sarjapur. Now, the bus will come, pick me up in the morning. He will show all the properties. We will have our executives helping you in the bus. They will take you to Sarjapur. They will show you all the properties in Sarjapur. You go home in the evening, compare all the properties, compare all the listings, whatever you have got. You can sit with your family, discuss, and actually buy your dream home in a day's time. You don't have to waste 2 to 3 months wasting your time searching for a property or searching your dream home. Now this is a concept that we have introduced with tgsproperty.com. That's the reason when I said that it's not just a normal portal. It's actually a unique innovation in itself when we have introduced such a kind of concept into the real estate industry. Actually, we have brought a revolution in this industry by bringing this kind of a concept. That's the reason we have been listed. Also, there was an article in the Hindu where some person had listed actually about this concept, and he told it is actually going to change the face of the real estate industry. Now, for the builders, I urge all the builders to actually get associated with us and actually have a bulk of customers coming into your sites to view, and also you will have an ample opportunity to convert those customers and sell your houses as soon as possible. And for the customers, you will not have to go through all those pains of going and searching for properties for 2-3 months, wherein he can only invest a day's time or a couple of days' time, his weekend with us, for searching a property through Property Yatra. Now this is to conclude the tgsproperty.com portal launch. I believe you guys have understood the concept, or you can go in and log in to tgsproperty.com to know more about our website that we have launched today. Thank you so much, and enjoy the evening.
Thank you very much, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, before we close, it's very, very important that we hear from a few esteemed members who are here seated on the dais. Firstly, I request Mr. Prabhakar Rao to please address us and tell us a little bit about his experience in this evening. Ladies and gentlemen, can we please have a round of applause for Mr. Prabhakar Rao.
Distinguished speakers on the dais, management of TGS, members of staff, and friends. I remember the day when my father took over as the Prime Minister of the country. In one of the conversations, he was asked, "Sir, you are such an aged person with a frail head. How do you think you can run a country of this diversity?" Well, the answer what he has given was very classic and very profound. He said, "I don't add days to my life, I add life to my days." When you add life to your days, it becomes eventful, becomes interesting, becomes lively. Friends, the organizers have really had a lot of life this evening, and that's why it is so eventful and very interesting. I'm thankful to the organizers for calling me here and making me a part of this wonderful evening. Well, it's been an eventful evening, as I said. I had 3 launches just now. And on the days of Doordarshan, we have come a long way. Those were the days when information and entertainment was being given only by one channel, and that was Doordarshan. Today we have hundreds of channels, a lot of print media. The greatest contribution to information has been given by the internet. Today, you have millions and millions of internet users all over the world, and it is increasing by the day. Every day there are new additions. So I always feel that any business associated with this as a medium, internet as a medium, will hold in the future. Very interestingly and very rightly, the management of TGS has gone into this platform. They've launched TGS Properties. I just heard the details about that. It is indeed a very unique concept. It is, it's a win-win situation for the customer as well as the builder. I understand something like 160 million square feet was made available last year by the builders. which is growing again at the rate of 11% every year. We are talking about a huge, areas being made all over India. So a concept like this, where you give access to the customer to the properties what they plan, is a very interesting concept, and definitely I have no doubt that it's going to be a very successful concept. And they must have really put in a lot of work in bringing a lot of data. I'm sure their hard work is going to be very rewarding for a period of time. We also heard Dr. Shetty giving a lot of information about water saving of our water conservation. But that was a very interesting presentation which is given. So this concept of water recharging or water conservation is not new. This rainwater harvesting was there in 3rd century BC. It was practiced in Balochistan and in places like Kutch. And subsequently, even in the 11th century, Cholas have really used this concept. And recently, very recently, sometime recently, about 5-10 years back probably, it was tried out in Chennai in a very massive scale. The rainwater harvesting was used as a concept, and within 5 years they could raise the water table from by more than 50%. That's a very remarkable success, I would say. And since then, that has become a role model for all the states to follow. Today, most of the municipalities all over India, they make it mandatory to the builders to provide this rainwater harvesting kits before they launch on their projects. So it's a very, very interesting presentation is given. Water is very precious, and especially the fresh water is very, very precious. And Dr. Shetty has been, Mr. Diwakar Shetty has been doing a lot of work on this, and he has recently written a book on that which he has given it to me. I find that very interesting, very exhaustive, and very informative. I really wish him all the very best. Mr. Prashant Tiwari, I've known him for quite some time. He's running this Opinion Express, paper for a magazine from Delhi. And he's been doing his bit very, as a very responsible journalist. He's been doing his job. He has just started, he's launched his Hyderabad office. I really wish him all the very best. And TGS, of course, I see a lot of energy here, youngsters. And with this energy, this morale, I'm sure they want to go places. I wish them all the very best in future, in all their attempts and endeavors. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. I'd now like to request Mr. Mohandas Hegde to please address the gathering. At least 2 words. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Just thank you at least. Okay, thank you. With that in mind. Mr. Sripal, sir, if you could please address the gathering.
Thank you for giving me the opportunity to speak. I have been invited by Mr. Prashant Tiwari and Mr. Shetty. They are my very good friends. One person is an intellectual and the other person is a professor who believes in water harvesting. And he has convinced our trust to basically adopt a lake in Bangalore and regenerate these lakes which have become cesspools by the Bangalore Mahanagara Palike dumping all the wastewater in it. I believe every one of us can contribute in some way to regenerate the water bodies that made Bangalore was what originally was called as a garden city. We had probably around 18 to 20 lakes in and around. Today, because of poor rainwater harvesting techniques or corruption that has taken place in the government, a lot of lakes have become dry beds and a lot of builders have built a lot of beautiful properties on them. These things have to be reversed by regenerating these lakes. And I believe TGS, along with Mr. Shetty and along with the media, can bring back this awareness to Bangalore, where it should become a city of lakes again. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, before we move to the vote of thanks, here's a very, very important announcement. It's Sunday night, and I hope you haven't driven your own cars and bikes here, because we have a cocktail party after this. So there's enough alcohol and food which is there to be served for you all. But of course, before we move to the vote of thanks, we have a 3D presentation right now of tgsproperty.com, since we've heard so much about it. Gentlemen, we're going to be ending this event in about 5 minutes, so we request you to please stay in the hall and not leave. We started late, but we are going to be ending it soon, another 5 minutes.
Why are you crying?
I'm being written for a long time. I'm not getting sold.
Is it? But I got sold immediately. I am happy.
But how you got sold so soon?
I got sold to TGS Property.
Let me get sold from TGS Property.
TGSproperty.com.
Takes me to your dream home.
Ladies and gentlemen, like every formal event, we're going to have a vote of thanks here as well. So ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the only beautiful lady on the stage, Miss Mandeep. Ladies and gentlemen, round of applause everybody. She's going to be delivering the vote of thanks.
Welcome everybody. Today's property launch event has been a great success. As a managing director, I am truly thankful to everyone who volunteered here and gave their precious time. Thank you one and all. Before we go to dinner and cocktail, there are few important people I would like to thank. Mr. Prashant Tiwari ji, Mr. Prabhakar Rao ji, Mr. Mohandas Hegde ji, Mr. Divakar Shetty ji, and my whole TGS family for doing all the innovations and other type of promotional work. And last but not the least, I want to thank you all for coming. Without your continued support, we would never be able to put this event like this. So thank you all. One and all.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, can we please have a round of applause for them once again? And of course, just to let you all know once again, dinner and alcohol is being served. We're going to have a grand cocktail dinner inside, so you can join us there. And please make sure you're a part of this wonderful journey that we are embarking upon right from today itself. 3 wonderful properties, ladies and gentlemen. Opinion Express, the magazine, tgswater.in and tgsproperty.com. You witnessed the launch right here in Namma Bengaluru. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.